and climb. I am a chicken going cluck, cluck, cluck. On a bed of hay I like to tuck. Upon my eggs and in my nest I like to sit and have a rest. I eat just about everything, grass, insects, and even fruit that you bring. I will even eat your kitchen waste. As to me, it has a lovely taste. I can fly but not very far, so my friends and I stay where we are. I can live with people and be tame. You can even give me a name. I am a jet black crow with shiny feathers on show. I have a hook on the end of my beak. A caw-caw sound is the way I speak. I eat lots of things like fruits and seed, even bird eggs if I need. I live in open land with trees nearby on hand. I am very clever and very bold. I huddle my friends when I am cold. I show my feelings and can be happy or sad, sometimes good and sometimes bad. I am a very slender dove. I fly up high in the sky above. My color is gray or white. White means peace and is a lovely sight. I like to live on open ground so I can see what is around. I will build my nest in a tree as long as I keep a lookout and see. I love to eat corn and seeds. Sometimes on greens I will feed. My sound is known as a cuckoo, a well-known sound. This is true. I am an eagle, big and strong. My beak is sharp, my talons are long. I swoop through the air with ease. I usually build my nest in trees. I have brilliant eyesight, seeing colors very bright. I can spot delicious prey from a very long way away. I can live in trees or on mountain tops. From a height I can swoop and drop. I eat small animals, birds and fish. Rabbits and reptiles are a tasty dish. ostrich and the tallest bird, also the largest, so I have heard. My legs are super strong, built for running and very long. Africa is my home. The savannah is where I roam. I only have a small brain. My favorite food is tasty grain. My feet are a super size, as are my very big eyes. With my wings I cannot fly. For a big bird I am quite shy. My flight is silent, amazing for my size. I eat small animals and the odd bird. My call of choo-woo is often heard. I can turn my head nearly all the way. I sleep for most of the day. I can see at night, so I hunt my prey. I can see things very far away. My talons are very sharp and long. They are also very strong. I sometimes live up high in trees, swooping down at night with such ease. I am a duck and love to quack. On nuts and seeds I love to snack. My feathers always keep me warm, even in the water and in a storm. When I'm underwater I can see. I live in a flock, so have friends with me. I like to dive down very deep. On the water or in bushes is where I sleep. Shape way up high. This makes it easier for us to fly as a group up in the sky. I'm a penguin in black and white. Unlike other birds, I have no flight. I cannot fly up in the sky. My wings are not made to fly. I use my wings like flippers to swim. On top of the water I can skim. I can dive down very deep, and out of the water I can leap. To eat lots of fish, with krills and squids being my favorite dish. The North Pole is not my home. The South Pole is where I like to roam. I am a swan.